What's good? I had no intention on doing a tutorial at all. You can probably tell by my voice. I just woke up shortly, a little while ago. It is almost 9 o'clock here in New Orleans, and it's freezing cold. If we haven't met yet, my name is Ted, and I talk bass. This channel, what I do on this channel is I make bass videos for people who want to just have a better understanding of bass, build their vocabulary. Regular folks who just want to, get into that thing, and one of the best ways to do that, in my opinion, is by learning actual songs. Morris Day and the Time, and this was the original Time from the Pandemonium record, which coincided with Graffiti Bridge. Let me turn on some more light for y'all real quick. So I'm gonna show it to you real quick. Now, what I want you to do is check this out. That's the whole song. Simple, right? But what can you take out of that? One, two, three, four, five. That's the 5 notes of a minor scale, whether it be natural minor or Dorian minor. Phrygian, which is also would have a minor chord associated with it, would have a flat 2. This one does not have a flat 2. So this, I can go deeper with that, but I'm not going to, not for this. But so here's a minor triad. Here's also a minor triad. Here's a minor 7. Here's also a minor 7. Ooh. Gotta get some more coffee. Why am I showing you those 2 different fingerings? Before I do that, so that was the minor triad, the minor 7th. Here's, let's call it minor, natural minor. There it is one way. Natural minor. Why do we care about that? Because there's 2 ways, a couple of ways you could approach this line. Scale. And then we play the flat 7 of that scale, right? That natural minor scale. Of course, you got the dead notes on the right hand, but especially when you find little grooves like that, I'll say this and then I'm gonna get off. We dig so much into the theory and all that stuff, and that's important. Knowing your notes, that's important. Blah blah blah. But you got to be able to also connect the dots. So, if for those of you who like to hear the actual notes, that's A, B, C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, E. Even just doing that, now if you do that, you say, oh snap, there's a couple of places to see those notes. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. G. Excuse me. Here. G. That's the time. Chocolate. Like it if you like it. Subscribe if you want to. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. 2 fingers.